Thank you guys so much for joining me. My name is Kelsie Halls, and today we are going to do makeup on aging skin. This is my beautiful mother, and today we are going to learn all the tips and tricks that you need to know for your aging skin. Yes. Perfect, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start with a primer, and this is Silk. We've already done her brows just to make this so simple, fast, and ready to go. With the Silk, you always want to apply in a downward motion. Okay, now we're gonna do some eye cream. We are gonna do the Eye Illuminator, which is a tinted eye cream with pearlizer mixed. Look up. It's just going to give Mama some hydration. You can apply this with your fingers or the brush. I like to apply it with my fingers because the warmth of my touch will kind of melt it a little bit. Now we are going to do Tinted Moisturizer, and we are going to mix medium with a little bit of light. And then of course we have our blender. So you always want to make sure to blend it down the neck.
I mean, I agree.
You can concur. I'm going to do a little bit more light.
Make my jowls jiggle.
Okay, now we are going to go in with light concealer. And we're also going to conceal a couple little. A few differences that you're going to do with aging skin or older skin is you do not set underneath your eyes. That can cause creping, wrinkling under the eyes, so you don't need to do that with older eyes. Okay? Now we are going to take Snow ShadowSense to brighten up under the eyes. Okay. Okay, now we are going to prime the eyes. To do that, we are going to do Sandstone Pearl. So normally with aging skin, you want to be careful and cautious when using shimmer colors. Shimmer colors can sink in the creases, so you want to really stick with your matte colors. Do you know that?
No, and I love shimmer colors.
Doesn't mean you can't use them.
Okay.
You just have to be extra careful. Got a hot date tonight they're going to a play.
Yeah.
What are you gonna go see?
The Little Mermaid. So excited.
And you're not taking me?
No.
The point of Sandstone Pearl before is to get a blank canvas. So you have even skin tone all over the lid. Now we are going to start with the crease. Now this is the part where a lot of aging people forget to do, and this is to always, and it's the same with hooded eyes. You have your crease, but when you have aging eyes, they sag a little bit more, so it's gonna be more hooded. So with hooded eyes and aging eyes, you want to always go right above the crease. So when you're angling your brush to do your crease, instead of angling the brush straight, go ahead and close your eyes. Instead of angling the brush straight on the crease and going up like this, you're gonna angle it upwards. So it's going to be right above your crease, so when you open your eyes, you can see where that color is, versus if you open them all the way and you have them actually in your crease, that's gonna be hidden underneath your hood. And you are aged hooded skin, so I'm going to mix a couple colors for the crease because you want to always build up the crease color. If you just go right in with the dark color, sometimes it can look too harsh and you don't have that ombre transition. We're gonna do Moca Java and then Sandstone Pearl. We're really gonna keep it fairly neutral so she can really do a brighter lip color, so it'll give it a little bit more of a pop. So I'm just blending these two on the blending palette, which you guys know is a lifesaver. Okay, so we are going to lightly lift up, angling the brush up. Just doing light windshield wiper movements. So now we're gonna go in with a darker color and start to really darken up that crease. I'm gonna mix a little bit of Garnet into the mixture we already have. Okay, again, we're just lightly lifting up. So now we are going to do Mulberry, and we are going to mix it with some Candlelight to make it a more dusty rose pink color. Going by. Can you guys hear that? How it just really gives it a nice subtle pop. We are going to take Frost, which is a matte light pink, and we're gonna pop that in the inner corner. Okay, now we are going to take a small pencil E30 brush, to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm just gonna dip my brush in this color that we've already pre-mixed, add a little bit of the rosy color. Go and look up. So now that we've done that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna darken up the lash line just a little bit. I'm gonna take an angled brush and we are going to dip it in this brown color that we've created. And instead of doing eyeliner, we're just gonna smoke out the lash line. And just really darken up that. Okay, I think I want to go a little bit darker, so I'm going to add some Onyx to that brown color. Super subtle, natural. Okay, go ahead, open it. Do the same to the bottom. Just very lightly on the edge. Okay, now I'm going to take just a blending fluffy brush, the pencil E30. I'm going to blend that back out in the bottom of here. I'm just softly blending that just to make sure it's a very soft line. Now let's go ahead and move on to the face, and then we will come back and finish the eyes. We are going to bronze, and I'm going to use our Bronze Dust. I'm gonna pull off the cap, and then I'm going to just hit the bottom, and you'll see the powder come out on the very edge of the brush. I'm just going to bronze around the forehead. The jawline. Now we are going to do some blush, and we are going to use Silver Rose. Enter. And doing circular motions up towards the ear. Now we are going to highlight with the eye illuminator. So the eye illuminator is the pearlizer mixed with eye cream. I'm gonna take a tiny bit. This is just going to give it that subtle dewy glow. Now we are going to blend. Okay, so you can see how it just gives it like a light sheen dew to it. Now we are going to do the pearlizer. We're going to do that on the tip of the nose. Perfect. So you can see the nice blend between the three, the highlighter, the blush, the bronze. Now we are going to do our mascara and put on some lashes. She hasn't tried these before, so she'll be really excited. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna have you put on your own mascara because I hate putting mascara on other people. And since it's my mom, she can use mine and the wand. Normally, if it was anybody else, you definitely want a disposable wand in there. What do you think?
I think it looks awesome. Okay, not only am I old, I can't see very good.
As she is applying her mascara, I am going to get as she's applying mascara, I'm going to go ahead and trim her lashes. This is the brand new style Garnet. We are using just some black lash glue. So you always want to let the glue dry for at least 35 to 40 seconds. They're very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna let this one dry and I'm going to take a disposable lash wand. I'm gonna comb out her lashes. Go ahead and open. Okay, this is ready to go. Go ahead and close your eyes for me. But don't close them all the way, just look down. Just making sure it's all secure. How's that feel? Comfortable?
Yeah. Try to peek.
So you can't peek until you get both on.
Okay.
No peek. There you go.
Now can I peek?
Now you can peek.
Oh, I love them. Yes.
Okay, now we are going to do Plum LipSense. We're going to make sure your lips are clean and dry. So I'm going to have you lick your lips. Okay, part your lips for me. Okay, it's one coat. And this is our third and final layer. Okay, now let's go ahead and apply gloss. So now we are going to layer some Orchid Gloss. And we are all finished. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for joining us. And we hope you really enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you got some good tips from this. And have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.